Hey Rose family, it's your girl Serenity Rose. We're back with another video, and this video is going to be a bit rushed because I have to go to work in like a few minutes, but I just got my Ipsy in the bag, and I also got a couple of things from Marshalls, so I figured I'd haul it real quick so that by the time I film my next first impressions or trying new makeup, I can use everything all together. So if you want to see what I got from Marshalls and in my Ipsy bag for the month of December, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I have my Ipsy bag right here. Let's just crack it open and get right into it. So I did use my points and redeem something since this was going to be the last month for me. And I redeemed this bad boy right here. This is a blush from Ofra. And this is again in collaboration with Madison Miller. This is in the shade Sweet Stuff, which is a really pretty mauve pink, my type of blush. I'm so happy that I got this. Actually, I think the blush was my choice item, if I'm not mistaken. It was either the blush or this brush. These both came outside of the month, like out of the Glam Bag. So this is from the brand Complex Culture. It's basically a highlighter brush, but the packaging is like super fancy. So it's an all-over highlight brush. And this is what it looks like. It's basically like a pointer type of brush. Very, very soft. So I have this brush from Morphe. This is the M501. And then I have this brush from BH Cosmetics, which is the 140. And this kind of reminds me of those blushes, very tapered. So this might be really good for highlight. So I can't wait to try this brush. So this is what the bag looks like for the month of December. It's like a silver metallic type of bag with a green zipper. And the theme for the month is Shine On, I want to say, because that's what the card looks like. So the first thing inside my Glam Bag is from H2O Beauty. This is the Oasis Hydrating Treatment. It's a water gel moisturizer. Comes in a little tube like this. Seems pretty cute. The next thing is from Tarte. This is their High Performance Naturals Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in the shade Kisses. So it comes in this cute little plasticky type of container. Oh, this looks like it has shimmer in it. It's like a orangey peachy type of color, but you could definitely see like the shimmer when it hits the light. So this will probably give you like a luminous look on the cheeks. Then the next product is from Phase Zero. This is their Nude Newbie Pressed Shadow. And again, it just comes in this little black packaging. It does come with a cute little mirror. And this is a like shimmer shade. Let's do a little swatch. That's what it looks like on the finger. This might be like a pretty highlighter. So that's pretty cool. And then the last thing in my bag is from TPSY, maybe short for Tipsy. It is a gloss, and the shade is called 001 Sweet Tooth, and it's basically a clear gloss, which, you know, I'm always down for a good gloss. So that is everything I got in my Ipsy bag. Let's move on to the few things that I got from Marshalls. Okay, so the first thing I got from Marshalls were makeup wipes. I'm running low on mine, so I figured why not restock while I'm here. And these are from the brand called Body Prescriptions. They're micellar makeup remover wipes. They gently cleanse, hydrate, and it's for all skin types. It even removes waterproof makeup. And it comes with 60 wipes. And it was only $3.99, so super good buy. Then there was this like soothing body spray, but you can really use it for your face. You know, I love rose water. So it's rose water and aloe. And again, this was $3.99 and it's super big. It's like 2 times bigger than the last spray that I got from Marshalls. And then the next thing that I got is from the brand Pecksniffs, England. And it's basically a moisturizing hand wash, and it's rose and peony. And it's a huge bottle. It's 25.3 fluid ounces, and it just looks really pretty. So I'm going to put this in my bathroom. And then I'm running low also on my facial like cleanser. I did get another one recently, but I wanted to try another one. So I found this one for $4.99, and it's from the brand Aveeno. It's the Positively Radiant Micellar Gel Cleanser Makeup Remover. So it basically says that it draws out skin dulling impurities, and yeah, it's 5 fluid ounces, and for $5, that is not bad. And the last thing I got was from ABH, which is Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this was $7.99, and it's a matte lipstick in the shade Dread. So this is what the packaging looks like, and then this is what the color looks like. And I'll swatch it. You know, for a matte lipstick, this is pretty creamy. It's a pretty brown. You guys know I love my browns. So that is everything that I got. If you guys enjoyed the video, drop a thumbs up, comment down below, anything. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you guys go. Hope you guys are having an amazing day or night wherever you guys are. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!